Friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my weekly predictions and analysis for US 30 and US 100. What a wonderful week as we expected that beyond 36,300 we are looking forward to 36,600 and 36,700 levels on US 30, and for US 100 specifically I had mentioned that 16,450 levels, if it passes by 16,600, 16,700 can be seen. It exactly achieved these levels. I hope you all profited. Now what will happen next? We are going to look with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Friends, those who are new to the channel, I provide my weekly and daily analysis for major global markets including US 30, US 100, UK 100, Germany 40, Nifty, Bank Nifty, and commodities which include gold and silver and crude oil and natural gas. So press the bell icon. Stay tuned with the latest analysis. First, we will look into US 100 and then it will be followed by US 30. At the end of every analysis, I'll give you the levels to trade for, to watch out for. Definitely, along with this, my daily analysis before the cash market will help you decide the direction of the market. So, let's start with US 100 first. Now, look at the US 100 on the daily charts. You can almost see that uh, this is the reversal candle on the daily charts. We have seen this that this is after a long bullish run. It has shown this candle and this is kind of a reversal candle we can see. Now on the daily charts you can expect that unless now if it crosses past once again 16,450, this will be the crucial level once again for me, in specifically 16,450 and 16,500. If it crosses past this zone, then only I will consider this as bullish, else it might try to break again towards 15,800 in the coming days. Probably it might try to complete this formation. So this is what it appears on the daily charts. My first support should be at around 16,150 levels, and if it breaks past 16,150, then we should consider this as further bearish and it will break towards 15,900 this zone and 15,800 levels. So on the daily charts also we must not forget, see it has seen a high, and you can see probably I will say that it is not kind of head and shoulders, but yes, it has seen further highs beyond this, and this is the zone now at 16,450 levels. That has become again a crucial resistance. It is tried to trade above this, failing to do so. Now once again if it goes past this, then we should consider this as bullish reversal, else it might try to drop further. Now this is on the daily charts. Let's have a look at the weekly charts. On the weekly charts, see, now this is interesting candle on the weekly charts. Any opening below this, any opening below 16 300 definitely will be a very good indication to go short after. See, also this is trying to consolidate in this box, and hence it might try to again head towards, at least towards 15,800, 15,900 zone, and from there we might see it rising probably if it tries to rise. And interestingly 15,500 can also be seen, but whether that will happen in a week or so we need to look forward to. But yes, if it opens above 15 16,400 once again, if it goes above 16,450, definitely it will try to achieve higher highs at around 16,700 levels. So yes, we'll be looking forward to this. If it goes past 16,400 450 zone, it is a good to buy again. So remember this level 16,400 450. Going past this, you can remain long. You can expect it to hit 16,700 also once again at the same prediction I am saying. So but since this is a new month, let's have a look what are the monthly candles are indicating. Now on the monthly candles, now on the monthly charts, you will find that lower highs, lower lows, indicating that it is bearish. It is still bearish, and only if it goes past, as I said, once again 16,500 levels, if it goes past 16,500 450 levels, we should treat this as a bullish reversal and it might try to achieve higher levels this month, probably going beyond 17,000. Also, if it opens below and drops below 16,300 and specifically 16,250 zone, if it drops below 16,250, you can expect it to drop till towards 15,500 and in fact can go below that towards 15,200 300 levels. So a 1,000 point drop can be expected. If it drops Definitely 15,500 should provide a support on the month of January. 15,800, 900 should also provide a support. Breaking this zone definitely with 15,200, 300 is on the cards this month itself. So I'll be very keenly watching the level at around 16,150, 200. If it breaks this zone, I'll definitely recommend you to remain short for the month of January. We can take positional target and we can expect it to drop towards 15,800, 15,500, 15,250 levels also. Any breakout beyond 16,450, 500, very good buy, very good time to buy. We can expect 16,000, 17,000 levels, 16,500, 17,000 levels can be achieved beyond 16,450, 500 levels. So this is what we can see on the monthly charts. Now let's have a look at the indicators on the daily charts. Now on the daily charts, you can see that exactly this is the channel line and it has got its support from this channel line at around 16,320 levels and 300 levels. I told many a times that, you know, now this zone at 16,200, in fact 16,450 was the earlier resistance. Now this zone at 16,080 to 16,200, this zone is of importance to me. Below 16,200 I will consider this as weak, and below 16,080 I'll consider this as extremely weak, and I'll expect it to drop. How far this could go? This could go till here at around the next support will come into picture at 700, 15, 700, 800 levels. So the candlestick charts reflecting the same, the indicators reflecting the same, that breaking this zone at 16,200, 100 levels, we can expect it to correct sharply. We can expect 15,900, 15,800 and 15,700, 500 levels also. So all are in sync. Appears that the markets are, but I will consider, see, markets doesn't wait for my opinion, markets doesn't look forward to what I expect, and market doesn't trade as per my expectation or my wish list. We have to trade as per the market's direction, and hence trade with the direction, trade with the stop loss, trade with the levels. Then only one can preserve capital and one can be profitable. So don't think what you think and what I think, just trade with the flow. Now let's have a look at the DPO was in green, looking forward to enter into red once again. Stochastic was overbought. Now it is comfortable and are divergent, and hence probably couple of red candles and then probably a rise for next 2-3 days can be expected. RSI, interestingly, RSI had crossed over trying to curve. Now probably after couple of big red candles they might cross over again, and then we can expect it to we can expect that it might remain in that zone for little while more. Now RSI is comfortable and now it is looking downwards. So now we can see, let me give you the targets directly and the levels directly to watch out for. Now any buy I will recommend is beyond 16,380. At this zone you can remain long for, at this level you can go long for a target of 16,420, 16,455, 16,500, then 16,560. Beyond that it will head towards 16,660 and plus levels. However, only thing I will recommend that yes, going this beyond this zone 16,455 is something when I will consider this as little moderately bullish, and beyond 16,500 yes, one can remain, long. Beyond 16,500 definitely there is a positional long position at beyond 16500. One can remain long, one can expect in the coming days, coming months, 16700, 17000 levels also. If it goes past 16500, then and then only. On the downside, on the contrary, if you see it dropping below 16 to 80 this week, you can probably take a short from 16 to 80 and remain short below that. My next support level at 16 to 40, 16180, 16133, 16080. Now till here I will be, below 16 to 40 I will be giving you, this is the very close resistance level. Below that it will head to 15970, 15880, 15800. Here between 15800 and 15700 another support system is available. So yes, below this 15, 16 to 40 levels, one can probably remain short. One can remain short for the month of January itself, and only expectation to go long is beyond 16500 levels, beyond which one can remain positionally long. And below 16 to 40, 16180 levels, specifically 16080, this is the level below which definitely one can expect it to correct sharply towards 15500 levels, and in fact can go till towards 15250 also. So do watch this carefully, do mark my words, do wait till the month of January, and we will look forward to these levels once again. So this is all for US 100. Now let's move towards US 30. US 30 on the daily charts, as I have told you, this is the and as I told in my daily analysis also, this is the reversal candle which we have seen after this bullish run, and hence we can expect it to drop. Did see all time highs before going forward to, or looking forward to, a drop out there. Now for me, this level at 36250 has become crucial. Once it breaks below 36250, and my next support level is only at 36000, and below that it will try to hit 35500 and below zones, where we can looking forward to it to go below 35000, 34500 and below levels also, so in the coming days. Also, once it goes past, see on the daily charts, another observation is if it breaks 36400, if you see it going above 36400, close your shorts. One can go long, one can expect it to rise. Probably it might look forward to 36600, 700 zone, and from there also it might look forward to a drop. Another expectation on the daily charts. Now, so we have got the levels that is at around 36400, beyond which one can go long, and 36250 below which we can go short. On the weekly charts, we can see that on the weekly charts, this is a second consecutive greener candle. This is the drop, and it has got its support. So this on the weekly charts is trying to narrate a different story, and one can look forward to see. Also, the bulls are not in control. It did rise beyond, it is achieved all time highs, but then it retraced back sharply. So now if it opens beyond 36400, goes beyond 36400, and the next target will be 36500, 36500, 36600. Beyond that, if it goes past 36700, definitely it will go past 37000 also this week itself. So, but at the same time, we must not forget that it might try to achieve 36500. So first thing is, it has to be, we can expect a swing out there, and in fact it might try to achieve 36500 and then try to take a drop, where we can expect it to hit towards 36000, and in fact 35900 levels can be achieved. So it might try to form a candle something like this, where it will be leaving out with the little tail, a probable body, and a high can be seen out there. So yes, 36,500, 36,600 can another time we will see, and then probably a bearish candle which might take it towards 35,800 levels. So a high at around 36,500, a low at around 35,800 can be expected this week on US 30. My expectation, I am bearish on US 30 probably. Now let's have a look at the monthly charts, as this is a fresh monthly candle which is about to begin. On the monthly charts, interestingly, couple of observations. Since last 3 months we have seen higher lows, higher highs, and you can see despite not the rise was not up to the mark this month. However, we can see higher lows, higher highs, which has been achieved in 3 consecutive candles. And now probably see, it might either try to give a double top and try to drop, but yes, if it breaks past 36,700, definitely it will rise towards 37,200 plus levels also. At the same time, it is also giving us an indication that this time if it drops, it is going to drop heavily. The next support level will only be between 35,000 to 35,400 zone, and below that it might try to break towards 34,000 and below levels, where we can expect it to correct sharply, and a sharp red candle can be expected if it drops below that. Hence we have to be very cautious till 36,700. I will not recommend you to remain positionally long for the month, and till the time it is below 35,800, I will not recommend you to remain positively short for the month. But this week I will expect 35,800 on the downside. If it breaks 36,250, one can remain short. On the upside, if it breaks 36,400, one can go long for 36,500 and 36,600 levels. Below that, maybe at those levels we can again expect a drop. So now let's have a look at the indicators. What does the indicators are indicating? Looking at the indicators on the daily chart, you will find that the strong support system, see right now it is trading at the extremes of the Bollinger Bands, at the extremes of the channels, at the on top of 20, 50, 100 simple and exponential moving average, and that is what we can see, that it is right now trading in an extremely bullish zone. But yes, only bearishness will come into picture between 35,900 to 35,400 zone, and this zone will be crucial, breaking which it will enter into a bearish territory, and hence I'll be looking forward to this zone if it sustains 35,400 to 35,800 in coming days and coming months. Yes, that will be the level I'll be watchful of. The detrended price oscillator is comfortable. The stochastic was again overbought here, now trying to curve back down, and hence probably this time it might try to drop, and 35,800 and below levels can be seen. The MACD lines have crossed over earlier in trading into a buy zone, but probably they might converge if couple of red candles, more or deeper sharp red candles is seen. They might converge and cross over. RSI is comfortable. Considering this, let me give you the levels to trade for this month, this week specifically. The long I will recommend you at 36,410. At this level you can go long, and you can expect it to head towards 36,460, 36,500, and then towards 36,600. In fact, can achieve a double top at 36,680. Now I will completely change into a bull if it goes past this level only. Else, in fact, till 36,500 I will expect a drop. In fact, till 36,460, 410 I will expect a drop. I'll expect it to drop if it remains below these levels. But yes, if it goes past 36,680, I'll convert into a complete bull, and I will expect it to rise. So yes, this is the position at which you can enter a long. You can take the benefit of whatever rise you see, and then probably if you see it dropping at that point on the daily charts, you can take a short entry there and benefit from the swings out there. Now on the downside, on the contrary, uh, if you see it breaking 36 to 40 here, one can go short out there. 36 180, another support will come into picture. breaking 36,180, I'll expect it to drop further and farther towards 36,050, 35,950, 35,880, 35,800, 35,700. Now till here probably it might achieve this zone if it breaks, but below that also sky is the limit. It can break towards 35,250 levels. You have to watch out for this. You have to watch out and wait that it might break strongly below 36,000 levels. It might break strongly towards 35,400 levels also. So yes, take a position accordingly, friends. And if you have any, see, if you want to gain the same expertise, if you want to know how to read charts, how to interpret the charts, how to predict markets, join my 8th batch, and this is going to start on 10th of January. Invest in yourself so that you can reap the benefits for life. Reach out to me for your trading or training related queries. Join my Telegram channel. The links and my email ID and Telegram ID are mentioned in the channel description and the video description also. So reach out to me for any of your queries. Invest in yourself this coming year and benefit from the learnings. This is a 15-day session. Definitely you will learn and profit from the advanced strategies I provide in the training session. So thank you very much, friends. Have a great profitable trading week ahead.